Hey y'all, I am so glad you're here. In this video, I wanted to do a prayer journal entry using a scripture verse from Proverbs, and I'm going to be focusing on controlling my frustration and my anger because I have been having some issues with that lately. I hope that you enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The Lord really worked in my heart on this one. As I was writing, I had my mind open. I was meditating on what I was communicating to the Lord and what He was communicating to me. And I realized that I really need to be in the Word more. I had been slacking and I let the frustration build up. And here is the finished product. I hope you have a great day, and I'm so glad for each and every one of you that are here. Thanks again so much.